This is Lodging House Mission. My name is Claire. I am the chaplain for Lodging House Mission. I just wanted to speak to you ahead of Harvest appeal this year. Our building remains closed due to the COVID guidance, but we haven't been idle here. We've been preparing emergency food parcels and toiletries packs for individuals who have experienced homelessness during this pandemic. Harvest is a time where we all think of abundance, but abundance for some of the individuals who find themselves on the street and without a home and socially isolated at this time has meant their daily bread. We forget sometimes when there is so much abundance that what that means when you have no home looks very different. So I wanted to share with you some images of the work we're doing and ask that you are able to support our 2020 appeal by financially giving through our website on our Virgin Money link or by sending your donations to 35 East Campbell Street. Thank you. At Lodging House Mission, we are creating parcels to go out to our vulnerable individuals. So we're making up parcels of toiletries and parcels of food for the different communities that we're reaching. In our toiletries pack, we've got shower gel and razors. We have shower gel and we have shaving foam and shampoo. We have tissues and wipes and antibacterial. We also are giving individuals a scarf that they can use when they're shielding, as well as gloves and socks, which are necessary. We're giving them a soap and a face cloth and toothbrushes and toothpaste and just a small hand cream. Those packs are being distributed by our partners, such as the May Trust and the Simon Community, who are also making use of our food packs for vulnerable families who are in accommodation, those that are in temporary accommodation and those who are in our hotels. So we're giving them a jar of sauce, pasta and rice. They have meat, and in this case we've got corned beef. There's also fish in the shape of tuna and sardines. We've got lunches in the shape of soup, tins of soup, and also tins of beans and pasta, spaghetti. Some of our soups can also be used as pasta sauces, such as our chicken soup or our tomato soup. We also have potatoes and a vegetable going in with each one. We have milk and cereal for a breakfast. We also have tea and hot chocolate and fruit juices, not to mention a little treat in the shape of biscuits that they can take with them. These packs are all being distributed by our partner agencies driven directly to accommodations so that people can maintain their social isolation. But this is the type of food parcels that we would give out to folk moving into tenancy. But at the moment, while we're not providing 100 meals a day, 3 times a day for our guests, we're giving the parcels away from our own resources. Thank you. So as you can see, we're keeping ourselves busy and we continue to be blessed by the generosity of supporting congregations, partner agencies and individuals who've gone out of their way during this time to find some fun ways to fundraise. We ask for your continued prayers for those who are recipients of all the work that we're doing and for the strength to carry on doing everything we can to reduce the harm caused by poverty, social isolation and the experience of homelessness, particularly at this difficult time. And we'd like to say a great big thank you to all of you who are supporting, whether that be with phone calls of concern, whether that's through donations, whether it's through just sharing all of the information that we have available to let our service users know they're continuing to be thought of. Thank you very much.